What if I told you that the secret to youthful, wrinkle-free skin is sitting right in your kitchen? Yes. Forget expensive treatments. These natural oils can transform your skin, making it firm, radiant, and wrinkle-free. Argan oil, the liquid gold for anti-aging. Argan oil, often called liquid gold, is extracted from the kernels of the argan tree. It is loaded with essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin E, making it a powerhouse for fighting signs of aging. It boosts skin elasticity, reduces wrinkles, and deeply hydrates without clogging pores. Argan oil also protects against environmental damage, keeping skin firm and youthful. Take a few drops and massage gently into clean skin before bed, or mix it with a moisturizer for extra hydration. Rosehip oil, the natural retinol. Rosehip oil is derived from the seeds of wild rose bushes. It is one of the best natural sources of vitamin A, retinol, vitamin C, and essential fatty acids, making it perfect for anti-aging skincare. It stimulates collagen production, reduces wrinkles, brightens skin tone, and evens out texture. This lightweight oil absorbs quickly and hydrates the skin without feeling greasy. Apply 2 to 3 drops on damp skin after cleansing, preferably before your moisturizer for maximum absorption. 3. Jojoba oil, the skin balancer. Jojoba oil closely resembles human sebum, the natural oil produced by our skin. This makes it ideal for balancing oil production, keeping the skin hydrated, and preventing both dryness and excessive oiliness. It is packed with antioxidants and vitamin E, which protect the skin from premature aging. Unlike heavier oils, jojoba oil is non-comedogenic and absorbs quickly, making it suitable for all skin types. Massage a few drops onto clean skin or mix it with your face cream for daily hydration. Almond oil, vitamin E powerhouse. Sweet almond oil is rich in vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, making it excellent for repairing the skin and preventing wrinkles. It strengthens the skin barrier, prevents moisture loss, and improves overall skin texture. One of its best-known benefits is its ability to reduce puffiness and dark circles under the eyes. Gently massage 2 to 3 drops under the eyes and on fine lines before sleeping for deep nourishment. Coconut oil, the ultimate hydrator. Coconut oil is packed with fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin E, making it one of the best natural moisturizers for dry skin. It deeply hydrates, plumps the skin, and reduces the appearance of fine lines. Its antioxidant properties fight free radicals that contribute to premature aging. However, it may be too heavy for oily or acne-prone skin. Apply a thin layer on clean skin before bed, or mix it with lighter oils like jojoba or rosehip for a balanced effect. Olive oil, the ancient beauty secret. Used for centuries as a natural remedy for skin aging, olive oil is rich in polyphenols, vitamin, and squalene. These compounds help slow down the aging process, protect against wrinkles, and deeply nourish the skin. It provides long-lasting hydration, soothes irritation, and repairs damage caused by sun exposure. Olive oil can be used as a facial massage oil for a weekly anti-aging treatment or applied lightly as a night serum for extra moisture. Castor oil, the collagen booster. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that stimulates collagen and elastin production. It is highly effective for reducing deep wrinkles, sagging skin, and fine lines. This oil is deeply moisturizing and works best for dry and mature skin. Due to its thick consistency, it is often mixed with lighter oils like coconut or almond oil. Massage a small amount onto problem areas before bed and leave it overnight for the best results. Each of these oils has unique benefits, and the best one for you depends on your skin type and concerns. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare secrets.